The CFA exam is now soon becoming one of the most prominent exams when it comes to the field of investment and markets in the world. In India itself, we've seen such a huge jump in the number of candidates who are willing to give the CFA exam. If you know nothing about the CFA exam or what does CFA stand for or what is the course related to, feel free to get in touch with us. We're more than happy to help you out on a one-on-one basis. Today's video talks about what are the kind of jobs and opportunities that you can avail as someone who's cleared CFA Level 1. My name is Zell Expert. I work here at Zell Education and I will be helping you with today's video. So let's assume you are a candidate who's completed Level 1 of CFA and you've cleared it, and now you eventually will start preparation for Level 2. What are the kind of opportunities that you can avail as a CFA candidate or CFA Level 2 candidate? Number one, you've studied 10 subjects, right? You've done session 1, you've done session 2. In session 2, you've studied subjects which are very market or investment oriented: equity, derivatives, fixed income, portfolio management, alternative investments, right? Now, these subjects, again, I'm sure when you study one of these subjects, there must be a couple of subjects which you're interested in. Most candidates love equity, right? They're interested about how the stock market works, what is trading, what is long-term investments, what are the different kind of market instruments. Now, a very common job opportunity for CFA Level 1 guys or Level 1 candidates or Level 2 candidates is equity analyst. Now, an equity analyst is someone who basically studies a stock, advises whether you should buy, sell or hold. Now, you can get this job at a boutique firm, at an investment bank, or you can open your own venture. Next, a lot of candidates who are interested in complex market instruments should be interested towards derivatives and fixed income, wherein again studying the different kind of derivatives that are available in the market. How can you trade with them? How can you make a profit? What are options? Again, when you talk about fixed income, you're dealing more with debt securities. Again, you could work at any tier, right? You could work at a smaller firm, at a mid-tier firm, or an investment bank. Again, this depends on where your interest lies. A lot of candidates love working with investment banks because it adds value, it adds a name to the resume. A lot of investment banks, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, a few Indian ones, Motilal Oswal, have openings for CFA Level 1, 2 or 3 candidates wherein fresher roles, right? You're studying a different kind of market instruments, you're working in client advisory or even better, portfolio management. Portfolio management simply refers to handling a client's portfolios and handling a portfolio based on a risk assessment. So for Level 1, for anyone who's cleared CFA or plans to get into CFA, you have to understand your career will be oriented around the markets, around investment, around everything that has to do with investment markets. A very simple underline. A lot of people who are interested in technical analysis, I think portfolio management has a chapter on technical analysis, not something that's too in depth, but I know a lot of peers, a lot of colleagues who are full-time traders but have pursued CFA, if not Level 2 and Level 3, at least Level 1, to get the basic knowledge about markets and just maybe a little advanced over someone who doesn't know. So at a firm that I worked previously, it was a Big Four, which we were into business consultancy in the FS sector. A lot of my colleagues at my level, at an analyst level, completed CFA, three levels of CFA over 3 years while working, and the minute they completed, they moved on to investment banking or a boutique firm or the investment side of a job. Very common occurrence. The next question is, what kind of a salary can you expect? Now that depends. The CFA Level 1 exam can be given in the last year of graduation or after graduation, so assuming you're a graduate. Number 2, what kind of graduation you've done, right? Have you specialized in BFM, BAF, BBI, or what kind of college do you come from? Again, what matters is where you're trying to get a job with. The average salary that we've seen for a graduate in India ranges between 3 to 5 lakhs. You pursue a CFA Level 1, it might go between 4 to 7. The real bonus comes when you complete CFA and you can expect a salary of between 8 to 12 lakhs because you have that kind of experience, because you've been working for 2 to 3 years, because you're specializing in CFA. After CFA, expect between 8 to 12 lakhs, but after you complete Level 1, look at 4 to 7 lakhs depending on what profile. At a boutique firm, you'd expect slightly lower. At investment bank, you can expect obviously a little higher, but also with better growth opportunities. The advantage of working with a boutique firm is that you get to do everything, wherein in investment banking at a large firm, your role is very focused and specialized. Lastly, should you be attempting level 2 and 3? Absolutely. Level 1 is just basically knowledge. Level 2 and 3 consolidates your base, adds an element of practicality. That's where things get serious. That's where it's a little more interesting, it's a little more practical. And once you complete the 3 levels of CFA, that's when you can call yourself a true investment professional. Like I said, if there are any more questions about CFA, feel free to put them in the comment section. If there are any other kind of videos you want us to do, please let us know. If you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe. Please like and share, and do follow us on Instagram. Thank you.